Hello, I am Nishi Pulugurtha, an academic and creative writer from Kolkata, and today I will be reading an English translation of a Telugu poem for the series Poets Reading Poets. The poem that I have chosen is called Chupulu in Telugu, which translates into English as looks. The poet is Jayaprabha, who is an important Telugu poet. Jayaprabha's first collection of poems was called Yuddha Mukamuga, which translates as Towards War, and this volume of poetry was published in 1984. It is a second volume of poems published in 1988 titled Vamanudi Moodo Padam, which translates as the third foot of Vamana, which created history of sorts by its path-breaking feminist poetry. Two poems from this volume, the one that I'll be reading, Chupulu, translated as looks, and the other one, Pauntuni Tagleyali, which was translated as Burn the Sari Pallu. These two poems have been translated into English, into German, and into many other languages. These two poems became trendsetters for feminist poetry in Telugu that emerged and flourished in the later 1980s and the 1990s. Jayaprabha also has written quite a lot of prose works, and I'll just refer to two. One is called Bhava Kavitamulo Stri, which translates as Women in Telugu Romantic Poetry, published in 1988. And the other one called Nalugu Goda, which translates as The Fourth Wall, which was published in 1991, and which is a study of 50 years of Telugu theatre from 1940 to 1990. The poem that I'll be reading today, Chupulu, was published in 1988. The English translation that I will be reading was done by Velchuri Narayana Rao and A.K. Ramanujan, and it appeared in a collection of poems titled In Their Own Voice, which was published in 1993. The Telugu poem Chupulu by Jayaprabha. I am now going to read the English translation, Looks. Looks from two eyes, dart like needles, roam freely on flesh. The looks never look into the face. The words never come from the heart. They crawl on the body like white ants. Disgust every time I see them. Those eyes belong to a million classes, but their looks are all the same. Only one signal in those looks: hunger like a salivating dog's, an ugly bare fist, chase you even in dreams. No difference between day and night. In this thick forest, no place at all to escape these looks. On the road, in buses, classrooms, behind your every step, wounding some part of the body. Looks tipped with poison keep pricking you. Frightened, I want to disappear into the distant sky, into emptiness. But escape is no solution. So, I began to teach my eyes the sharpness of thorns, to fight those poison looks. Now, to chase away those eyes, I fight with my eyes, timid eyes which cannot look straight. For 2 seconds, run to the underworld. A day will come when women in this country have thorns, not only in their eyes, but all over their bodies. Thank you so much.